Ooh.
You done messed my baby up.
Look, he's going to voluntarily go back in the laundry room. I surrender. I surrender.
Lord mercy.
I said, what the hell is wrong with my feet? They're broken.
So I was alright until I came back into the family.
Kitty, kitty, kitty.
I'm at Obi.
Kitty, kitty, kitty.
Okay. He's licking it. Kitty, kitty, kitty.
Instead of y'all are laughing, I'm embarrassed.
Where's Temptations at? There goes one.
I said I would like a
What's
Temptation.
some temptation? Huh? What's some temptations? Huh? What's some temptations?
Anytime else, straight as it could be.
Some temptations?
There's tooth marks on it.
It's not on his
You did it all.
Hold on a second. I'll fix it. Where'd you go with it? I'm getting that. Poor thing.
Pitiful.
She's so evil.
Some temptations. Huh? Is it still on your back, Paul? Hold up a second. I'm gonna fix it. You still be your table. Poor buddy. Yeah, poor buddy. That's what cats are for.
Oh, that's pitiful.
Are we putting this on YouTube?
Dance, Abby.
I have a YouTube account.
Doing some kind of weird Latino dance.
Come here, Abby. Come here, baby. Little temptations.
She said, I got handcuffs on.
Going downtown. Going to jail.
Some temptation.
They got cuffs on.
Looks like he's got on some kind of little socks or something.
Come here, Obi. 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 Obi-Wan Kenobi.
Mm-mm. Oh, he's mad now.
Hold on. Yeah. Yeah. Whoa. Well, I'm taking it off, stupid. Hold on.
Man, quit. Obi.
Well, let me take it off, baby.
He's got some sharp claws. I hope he doesn't nick you with them. We've all suffered.